Dysfunctional vet. This is my first time working with bees. A moment ago I pried the top plate of, it's a little chunk of wood up there. I pried that off, pulled the screws or the staples out of it. I'm now ready to extract the food jar and the queen. Now I will set up the feeders, and in 1 hour I'll come back. I'll remove the bee box and I'll set it down here at the bottom, and the bees that are in there will migrate up into it and life will be good. Also, I'll put these 3 frames back and I'll remove those 2 supers. Dysfunctional vet out.